Because you said this about the nose. A lot of actors have also said that they've been told why don't you go and get done something, and internet has always dissected and found, and even with you, right? Like they can older pictures and said, oh no, she's done cosmetic surgery and lips have been done and chin has been done and everything. Um, how do you look at that whole conversation from your side, and what is your idea of beauty for you?
Beauty is something that makes you feel confident about yourself. So if you have to get that nose job, get it for yourself.
Yeah.
If you don't want to get it and you're confident with what you have, don't get it. It's up to you. तो मुझे मतलब मैंने कभी आई हैव नेवर गॉन अंडर द नाइफ, बट बेसिक जो चीज़ें हैं फॉर ग्रूमिंग, if there are injectables, if there are facials, if there are fillers, if there are whatever that makes me feel a little more confident, I will do it for myself.
Absolutely.
And if I look better after that, to my own eyes, it has nothing to do with you. Not your money, not your time, not your face, not your body. It's mine. तो अगर मुझे उसके बाद ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट फील हो रहा है तो हो रहा है, और आपको उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो वो आपकी प्रॉब्लम लग रही है, मेरी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड आप अपना टाइम वेस्ट करो बिफोर फोटो और आफ्टर फोटो निकाल के. आप चाहते हो तो मैं ही डाल देती हूँ. मेरे पास बहुत है बिफोर आफ्टर.
Actually, she has paid a lot of money and she knows that she's looking fantastic.
Yeah, I mean I paid for it. मुझे लगता है ना कि not just actors, in general people are so self aware कि I know normal people जो बहुत सारी चीजें कराते हैं because they want to feel good about themselves, and rightfully so.
It's their life.
In fact, those people commenting also wish they could have, but वो नहीं कर पा रहे. तो जैसे मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि आपके बाल सफेद हो रहे हैं तो आप कलर कराते हो ना, तो मत कराओ. अगर आपको इतना ही अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस है, आप क्यों करा रहे हो अपने बाल सफेद से काले?
I remember your comment. I think you had kind of clapped back at all those big lips comments also, right? Saying that I'm very happy with them. I like it. Or something like that, I remember.
I have no idea. I am very happy with everything that I did.
No, it's wonderful. The reason I ask this question is to say that as women, we have to be happy in our own skin. Because the world around will always find like issues with you, right? There were some really horrifying comments. I know you also, I remember post Fitrat and all of that rules, there was this barrage of slut shaming that happens to the clothes that you wear, a certain kind of scenes that you do, and they really write horrifying things. At that time, what goes through your mind?
I mean, I've done quite a few bold scenes in
Yeah.
my films or whatever. That's when, people cut those clips and then they send it to me in DMs and, and write really nasty things, really nasty things.
Cheap.
Yeah, and then I go to their profile and I see they have a wife, they have a daughter. And you're just like, how are you doing this? What if I just put this screenshot out? I can ruin your family in this go. You can't ruin my mental health at this point, but I can ruin your family at this point. How do you have the guts to do that? I can just DM all of this that you're sending me to your wife. And tomorrow think about your daughter, her future. I mean, it's just so heartbreaking. But then you're just like, they have issues of their own that they need to deal with in their own time. Maybe get therapy, maybe do whatever. But I don't need to take it to heart. And yes, it does affect me, of course, because I mean, my parents are also on social media, so they also get those DMs. They also get all of it.
Sick.
And that's something that hurts me more than telling me anything. You tell me what I've done the film, I've done the scene. Why are you telling them anything, But people know where to hit, that it hurts the worst. So yeah, now it doesn't bother me or them. And I think I've become very thick-skinned, like really thick-skinned. And for me, doing my best on the shoot, doing that job there, I don't go around kissing on roads and, doing all of that. In fact, I'm somebody who is very shy about my dressing also. I am mostly always like very covered or whatever,
proper.
because that's what makes me feel comfortable. It's not about what I should do or what I shouldn't do. मुझे कंफर्ट लगता है कि ऐसे कपड़े पहनना या व्हाटएवर करना. अगर मैं बीच पे हूँ तो वैसे कपड़े पहनूंगी ना. रियल लाइफ में ऐसे घूमते घूमते आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग दोस काइंड ऑफ लुक, क्योंकि मुझे डिस्कम्फर्ट होता है. बट जिसको कंफर्टेबल है, यू कांट स्टॉप देम. हु आर यू? वो जा रहे हैं, वो अपना पैसा खर्चा कर रहे हैं, वो कपड़े ला रहे हैं. आप कौन होते हो उसको बोलने वाले?
ऐसा इतना कैजुअल हो गया है ना ये स्लट शेमिंग कि तुम आके कुछ भी बोल रहे हो कमेंट्स में कि 2 मिनट के लिए तो सोचते भी नहीं. लाइक यू राइटली सेड, There is no shame associated with it.
No, one day I am going to be sending all the screenshots to your wife, your bua, all of your family members are going to get screenshots from me and they will open it because it's a verified profile.
It takes a certain kind of resolution and patience to continue working. काम तो मिल जाता है, especially now you've come to films, and then continue working, continue being patient. उस समय पर क्रिस्टल आप खुद को कैसे दिलासा देते हो? But something I think makes you hold on and say, I'll wait for what is right for me. And also to avoid typecasting, right? You were saying you did some bold scenes and people start expecting that from you everywhere randomly. I know.
Yeah.
What do you do?
So I think first of all, patience is something that you really need to have, and also you gotta be easy on yourself. You know, you can't beat yourself up about losing a job to somebody else because of whatever reasons. Sometimes वो सच में आपसे better है, तो इसलिए उनको job मिला है. It's not about anything else. So just patience, and I feel like believe in yourself, like crazy, like mad, like put all the faith that you have in yourself. You will never lose, and more than anything else, you will value yourself so much more. So I have a lot of faith in myself, and I know that this is like just the beginning. मुझे बहुत काम करना है आगे जाके, और अलग-अलग kind of काम करना है. मुझे repetitive काम नहीं करना है. And by God's grace, you know, somehow everything works out. And like I started this whole interview saying, I think it's my daddy up there doing things. I think it's her doing things.
That's so wonderful.
Yeah. She's like, acha, abhi first copy, abhi, you know, whatever, you know, like there's so many things that when I feel like, you know, in between there was like this really low phase and I was not feeling great about myself or my life or anything. And I decided I'm going to go for a bit to Kashmir and just be there, you know. And first copy had come to me, but then it went away because of some articles and something that came out. Yeah. So I said,
What was, if you don't mind me asking?
there was some ED news that came out, and that had nothing to do with me in any way or form. But people take things too seriously. Now the headline ke liye you put my name there, but you don't realize what it can do to me.
And your credibility.
Correct. And I have never been in these, you know, talks, and it's something that, you know, my poor family had to go through as well. When you come and check my bank account, I actually have no money. And this thing, I have 900 crores for well. Why would I be struggling?
I mean, it'd be nice to have it.
Great for whoever has it. But I don't. I don't even have the 9 out of
So that kind of created a massive impact.
Correct. So then there was a casting agency and everything, and they were like, you know, should we go touch this or not? You know, should we? So then I got a call saying, you know, I think we let this one go because of the situation and all of that. And what if, you know, you get called and you have to go to the ED office and figure things out and all. And I was like, okay, fine. I was really disheartening because, you know, after very long, I had put my head to, okay, I'll do a OTT show, I'll do something different. And it was not working out. And I decided to go to Kashmir. I was chilling there with a few friends and family and stuff. And had no intention to come back till I felt better. Because that place is just heaven. Honestly, Kashmir to me is just heaven. So, so for me, it's like where I want to go and just be. I can just beautiful. Yeah, it's just beautiful. And I was there, and then suddenly I get a call saying that, no, you know, there's a whole misunderstanding and we really want you back. And I was like, okay, right now I'm not available. Give me some time.
Yeah.
You know, at that point, I had felt so bad, and I beaten myself so much about it that it was no fault of mine. I was working to pay off my EMIs, to pay off my bills. Somebody else gets caught in something. Usme main kahan se beech mein aayi? You know, and in all of that, I'm just like, but why, God? Why are you doing this to me, you know? And anyway, I said, I'll get back to you when I come back. And then when I came back, they really persuaded me to, you know, meet and get this through. And then I met the director and the producer, and they're amazing people, Farhan and Firdaus. They're really amazing, and they explained everything to me. And they had no much idea about what this whole thing that went down also. So there's the middlemen that want to push somebody else, and they don't have a good enough reason to push somebody else and not take you. So they give you any reason. So
इसी तरह से कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीजें हो जाती है.
एग्जैक्टली तो जिनको कास्ट जो मेन थे डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर उनको ये पता ही नहीं था कि ये सब हो रहा था. तो in any case that happened and now look first copy season one has
Congratulations.
killed this. We finished shooting season 2. It's coming.
And then you made a friend like Munawar. Explain that bond to me. He's such a real person again.
Exactly.
And like I said, the massive success of First Coffee. Congratulations once again.
Thank you. I think because he's so honest and real is something we really our wavelength matches on, because we are very different people otherwise. But when it comes to, you know, just being honest humans, I think he's somebody that's really honest and full of life, full of energy, full of, you know, fun. एंड वही चाहिए था, यू नो, हमने पूरा शो आउटडोर ही शूट किया है. तो आउटडोर में कोई अपना सा मिलना इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. एंड आई थिंक मुझे मुनव्वर में वो मिल गया, कोई थोड़ा सा अपना सा जो, यू नो, हु फेल्ट लाइक easy to hang around, who felt easy to be, you know, to do scenes with, to chill with, to just have a real conversation with. He's gone through so much in life, so I think, you know, his experiences have so much
Value.
value and so much to tell.
नहीं बिल्कुल. Again, always kept it real.